Hello students, good morning. Hope you are doing well. Last session we had discussed about bearing unit 17. Today we will start the second part of unit 17, that is scale drawing. Okay, so we can start our topic, scale drawing. What is scale drawing? A scale factor is always the ratio of the model's dimensions to the actual object's dimensions. That means the model measurements is related to the actual object's measurements. There is a connection between the model measurements and the actual measurements. That we call the ratio of models measurements and with the actual measurements. Okay, so we can see one example here. The drawing where all parts are certain amount smaller than the real thing. In the drawing of a horse, all parts of the drawing are 10 times smaller than the real horse. You can see the meter scale 1500 millimeter and is 150 millimeter height. Okay, so because we can't draw the real real measurement in the book, so we need the scale drawing. We need a scale to draw the measurement, the real thing into the map or in a book. Okay, so this we have to use some rules, because in this section we are discussing about how to change the actual distance in a map. Actual distance, actual measurements, it is always in kilometer. Okay, but in the map or in the book we have to use the measurement in centimeter. So first of all you have to change the unit. Kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That's we know that. Then we have to mix together 1 kilometer is equal to 100,000 centimeter. So this is the thing we are using unit here. Now you understand how we change it, this one, because in the real it is kilometer, in the map it is in centimeter. Okay, so you have to make a formula like that. For changing kilometer to centimeter, you have to multiply by 100,000. Okay, and if you want to change centimeter into kilometer, you have to divide by 100,000. Okay, so we are discussing about map distance. How to make a map distance when we have an actual distance and scale drawing. So this is the formula. Map distance is equal to actual distance divided by scale factor. Okay, when we are example is that when we have to explain this one, you will get an idea what is the map drawing, scale length and scale actual distance. A map is drawn to a scale 1:200,000. In reality, 2.6 kilometer. Find the distance on the map. Okay, so this type of questions we have to face in this chapter. So here you have to find the distance on a map. First of all, you have to change the unit. Scale factor is 1:200,000. Change into kilometer. Okay, so when we have to change into kilometer, you have to divide it by 100,000. So you will get 2. Then write the formula, map distance, because this question is talking about map. Map distance is equal to actual distance divided by scale factor. Okay, and what is actual distance? 2.6 divided by 2, you will get 1.3. So that is 1.3 centimeter is in the map. You have to draw the distance between. Okay, so next one, example number 2. The map is drawn to the scale 1:30,000. In reality, 4.5 kilometer. Find the distance on the map. Okay, the same pattern. You have to take the scale factor 1:30,000. Change into kilometer. Okay, write the formula, apply the value, and you will get 15 centimeter is on the map, that is distance between the things. Okay, this is about map distance, the actual distance divided by scale factor. Now we will go for the next one, actual distance. How we can find the actual distance? That's the same formula we are using, but you rearrange. Actual distance is equal to map distance multiplied by scale factor. Okay, actual distance is, you know that the real thing has a more size, bigger, okay, larger form. So that's why we have to do multiplication. Always when you multiply the things, you will get big number. Okay, so connect that one. Actual distance is the real thing, length or difference in distance. Okay, everything you have to get it a big size, multiplication. Map, it is come to the map or the sheet or a book, it is reduced form. That's why divide. We can explain with one example. The scale of a map is given 1:200,000. Two cities are 5 centimeter apart on the map. What is the actual distance between them? Okay, so here to find the actual distance. So same way you have to take the ratio and you have to divide. So you will get 2. Okay, then divide by 100,000. Same pattern we are using here and there. Okay, then write the formula. Actual distance is equal to map distance multiplied by scale factor multiplied by 2. With the number is given 5, so you will get 10. Okay. Go for the next example. The scale of a map is 1:300,000. What is the actual distance does 6 centimeter on the map represent? Okay, so you have to write the scale, okay, and change this one into our form, kilometer form. Then write the formula. Actual distance is equal to map distance multiplied by scale factor. Multiply the two things, you will get 18. So hence the actual distance is 18 kilometer. Okay. So the last example, example number 3. The scale is 1:120,000 on the map. The distance between two bus stops is 3.4 centimeter. Find the actual distance between them. Okay. So take the ratio, scale factor. Okay. Then we have to change it into kilometer because we are finding actual distance. Ready? Okay, then you have to multiply because the actual distance, write the formula, map distance multiplied by scale factor. Okay, give the values, you will get 4.08 kilometer. So that is the actual distance between the two bus stops, 4.08 kilometer. Okay, so this is our topic. So before leaving, you have to say the summary. What is meant by scale drawing? When an object is too big to fit on a page, we need to draw it to the scale. Okay, without scale, when you are drawing, the shape is not exact, same like the original one. To do this, we need to measure the object and then divide all measurements by the same number to keep our diagram in a scale. And we are using some formulas, changing the unit first of all, multiply 100,000 when change kilometer to centimeter. Okay, then what is map distance? Actual distance divided by scale factor, and actual distance is equal to map distance multiplied by scale factor. Okay, so hope you understand this video. You will get a worksheet on Google Classroom. Please complete and try to send it to me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.